Within the Effects Stylized category is a simple way for adding arrowheads to any selected path. To add an arrowhead, simply select Effect, Stylize, Add Arrowheads. In the Add Arrowheads dialog box that appears, you can choose from several different arrow types. To see the results, as you make the selections, select the Preview option. There are selection categories for both the end and the start of the arrows. You can also enter in a scale amount if you need the arrows to be bigger. Notice how scale amounts impact both sides of the arrow. When you're satisfied with the arrows added to the path, you can click the OK button to apply the results.